In this video, you're going to learn how to animate any element with just a click using our motion presets. So right now I've just got a shape here, and if you select your element, so whether it be a text layer, an image, a shape, or a video, you can simply select your layer and click on motion. And this is where we've got our motion presets, where you can basically select animations that have already been created for you, and you can add them to your elements and quickly animate anything really fast. So let's say, for example, we want to create a zoom animation, and I'm going to go with elastic scale up. I just simply click on it to preview, and if I want to add it, I simply click on the checkbox, and that adds the animation to the element. So it's as simple as that, just like that. You can also select different animations. So let's say we want to go with something like a bouncing ball. So I could go to slide, and I could go to bounce slide bottom, this one here. If I apply this one to the shape, I can click and preview this, just like that. And you basically select where you want the animation to end. So let's say you want it to end at the bottom, like that. You can also adjust the animation settings. So with your animation selected, you have different types of settings. So this one, I've got it selected. I'm going to click on the settings icon here, and you have to see I've got different options. So I can either remove the fade so that it doesn't fade in. I can also adjust the starting position. So whether I want it to start off the screen, I can just bring it up. I could also choose if I want to start over, certain different sides horizontally as well. So I'm just going to start it like this and click on play. And you see I've got a really nice looking bouncing ball type animation. And you can do this with like a tennis ball or a football, different types of basketballs and things like that as well, and create really cool animations. So once you've got an animation like that, I'm just going to bring this, make it a little bit shorter, and I'm going to go select an out animation. And so it's going to bounce in like this, and then we're going to make it maybe slide, or maybe even distort. Let's go with distort like this, so it's kind of going to squish itself down like that. Okay, cool. So yeah, you can go ahead and just preview all these animations. We're also constantly adding new animations in here, different presets, so you're going to have a massive library of animations. And if you want to learn how to create custom animations, go on to the next video where I'll show you how to custom animate any property inside CreateStudio.